Good morning. I just finished unloading the dishwasher and I figured I should probably give it some attention. So, if you folks are using our dishwashing soap, which you should because that was the last chemical we could remove, make sure you get into your drain. Now I have taken this out and I have washed it under the tap with the scrub to make sure that all the gunk got out of the filter, and it wasn't too bad, but there's only two of us and we rinse our dishes really well. Now what else you should do is make sure you get this scrub down in here. You can put the glove down too, but it will bring up all that sludgy stuff that's trapped down there. Now our dishwashing liquid does not have any chemicals, so it has nothing to dissolve the food. So you need to make sure this is clean and hasn't got any chunks of things in it so it clogged your drain. So once you've got both of those clean, just put it back in. Make sure it clicks in. So now the rest of the dishwasher is pretty good, but it doesn't hurt to give it a once over. This is getting older. Make sure there's no, our soap doesn't leave a lot of residue or anything, so it's not going to clog up in there. But in here, be surprised what can get stuck up in through your hinges and around your grate and your drains. So just give it a once over every now and again. Make sure there's nothing clogging your drains and your element is clean and free of debris from falling down from any of the food sources that you haven't gotten scraped and drained off. We're in the country again, so I don't put too much foreign stuff in my dishwasher because I like to keep that, because that goes right into my septic system as well. So there we go. Got a little refresher. I'll put it back together and we're off and running. All right, talk to you later.